Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the CUCKOO CR-0675FW rice cooker, and before you make a choice on your next kitchen appliance, you need to watch this comprehensive review. We've done extensive research and testing, and you'll find the link to the best price in the description below. In this video we're evaluating the CUCKOO CR-0675FW across price, performance, and real-world usage scenarios to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive right in and get started. The CUCKOO CR-0675FW stands out immediately, with its impressive 6-cup uncooked capacity that transforms into 12 cups of perfectly cooked rice, making it an exceptional choice for families and meal preppers. This Korean-engineered rice cooker features advanced fuzzy logic technology that automatically adjusts cooking time and temperature, ensuring your rice achieves the perfect texture every single time without any guesswork. What makes this model particularly remarkable is its versatility beyond traditional white rice. The CR-0675FW handles everything from glutinous rice to brown rice, oats, and even baby food with dedicated settings for each type. The control panel features intuitive buttons that make switching between cooking modes effortless, while the LED display clearly shows your selected settings and remaining cooking time. The self-clean function is outstanding for busy households. Simply add water, press the self-clean button, and the cooker handles the rest, utilizing steam to remove residue and odors. Additionally, the non-stick inner pot prevents rice from sticking during cooking and makes manual cleaning incredibly simple when needed. The removable lid design further enhances maintenance by allowing thorough cleaning of every component. For working professionals and busy parents, the timer function proves invaluable. You can set the cooker to begin cooking up to 12 hours in advance, ensuring fresh rice is ready exactly when you need it. Moreover, the automatic keep warm mode maintains your rice at the optimal serving temperature for up to 12 hours without overcooking or drying out the grains. The included accessories demonstrate thoughtful design: a specially crafted rice spatula that won't damage the non-stick coating, and a measuring cup calibrated specifically for rice portions. These tools integrate seamlessly with the cooker's design, fitting perfectly in the designated storage compartments. Performance-wise, the fuzzy logic technology truly shines when cooking different grain types. Brown rice, typically challenging in standard cookers, comes out perfectly tender with distinct grain separation. The quick white rice setting delivers restaurant